1,200 employees, hundreds of CNC machines, clients across the globe. None of it was supposed to happen.
We almost got into a bankruptcy situation. We could have landed up in shutting down the company also.
Parag Mengale never wanted this life. Growing up, manufacturing felt monotonous, except for one man he couldn't escape. His father, Chintamani Mengale.
Somewhere since my childhood, I had some good interest into, may not be the manufacturing side, but the technical side, or how the machines work, how things are made.
After his MBA, he expected to walk straight into the family business. His father sent him to a factory near Delhi instead.
There I worked for almost 6 months, gaining a good experience about manufacturing at the ground level, maybe which I could not get out here. I think I hated it that time, but today I think that was the best decision I think my father took for me.
When he finally joined the company, nobody handed him authority.
Joined under a lot of people who now report to me. I earned my position out here with shop floor experiences.
Then came the years that nearly broke everything. Salaries stopped. His mother held the household together, employees stayed anyway, and instead of playing safe, the family bet on the opposite.
We started our non-automotive business and exports somewhere around 2006-2007.
That bet changed everything. Soon after, his brother Tushar came back from the US with global manufacturing experience.
Every day we are here, both of us are there on the shop floor. We focus on the precision and we make sure every day that we are doing some continuous improvement.
350 plus CNC machines, advanced technology, clients across the globe. But ask Parag what really built this company, and he won't talk about machines.
One of the biggest assets that I always say about Seinumero, all our employees, 85 to 90% of our employees are working with us since my father's time.
The people who stood by him now shape what's next. New industries, new possibilities. A boy who once found manufacturing boring found his life's purpose